to make a peanut butter sandwich by himself. Here we have the bread. You throw that one. He picks up that one. You throw him another. You put them together and you make the keyhole.
He makes a peanut butter sandwich. He's not doing it. Here comes the other one.
Turn it off. Just click the same button.
Hey, Willie,
Stop.
listen to me. Think about it. She's got all those bricks in there. Do you think she's going to stop and get her memento going again? Give me a break. I mean, that I wouldn't have stopped either.
Whatever.
Here's. Okay, I gotta go. Whatever. Now I'm not even on that anymore.
Hey.
Alright.
Okay.
I don't know yet. Trying to figure out.
Here we are making a peanut butter sandwich. The Raven is going to make the sandwich for himself. Watch this, Ian. You take one piece of bread, you take another. You throw him one, he's so greedy, he'll take them both and make a sandwich. Watch this. A Raven making his own peanut butter sandwich. Only at Brighton Beach. Here he is, Laura. There you go, Ian. He just made his own peanut butter sandwich. Back me. What did I tell you?
The other one's sitting right there, waiting.
Want to see me do it again?
Hurry up. Somebody's going to probably come by in a minute.
And here we have another Raven coming in to make a peanut butter sandwich. Peanut butter bread.
The other guy's back already.
To me, Laura.
Sorry, this mosquito is biting me.
Peanut butter sandwiches, Ian. I told you I could do this. Kill it. Turn it off.
I did. That was good. You'll have to look at it.
It's not off. It's still filming.
It's not.
Laura, I can see a light on the back. Now it's filming again. Jesus Christ, all I have to do is hit a fucking button like I told you. Hit the button.